What's up, Chemical Guys fam? The holiday season is here, so it's time to give you guys our Chemical Guys holiday gift shopping guide for the year of 2022. Let's get started. All right guys, so first on our list is going to be our Hydro line of ceramic products. Now, when it comes to the holiday season, you guys already know it gets cold, it gets wet, it gets snowy. There's a lot of different inclement weather conditions that you have to deal with, and you want to make sure that not only your ride, but your loved one's ride is protected with the best possible in terms of shine and protection. Thus, we have right here our Chemical Guys Hydro Ceramic line. Now, with our Hydro Ceramic line, you have tons of products here that work on all different areas and aspects of your vehicle. Starting off with our HydroSlick, which is a ceramic coating hyper wax. So for all you guys out there who have loved ones who have never applied a ceramic to their vehicle, but they have applied a wax to it before, you can use a product like HydroSlick because it's extremely easy to use and it gives you that familiarity of applying a carnauba wax to your vehicle, only this is ceramic, so obviously it's going to give you a much more intense shine and much more durable layer of protection. Following it up, we have our all new updated formula on our HydroCharge Plus, which works out incredible for paint, glass, chrome, wheels, headlights, taillights, and so much more. Like I mentioned, we've updated the formula to make it much easier, much faster to achieve incredible shiny and durable protection for your vehicle. Following it up, you have to maintain that, so we have a HydroSpeed, which is a ceramic quick detailer. HydroSpeed is great for on-the-go maintenance. You can use HydroSpeed in between washes to quickly clean up your ride and give it a boost in terms of shine and protection. So HydroSpeed works out great for maintenance in between washes, but what happens when you want to go ahead and wash your ride with the ceramic soap? Then that's when you have our HydroStud ceramic car wash soap, which obviously has ceramic SiO2 properties in it that allow you to give your ride a nice deep foaming bath and boost the shine and protective properties of your coating. Going back to our Hydro Interior, which is our ceramic interior quick detailer. So you can use this product on virtually all of your interior surfaces to quickly wipe away dirt, dust, debris, spills, food stains, and so much more, and apply a nice layer of ceramic protection to all those treated surfaces. Next, you have our Hydro Thread, which, as you guys know, we have that rainy season coming through. Our Hydro Thread will actually enhance all your fabrics and upholsteries with durable ceramic protection, which is going to go ahead and beat up any kind of spilled liquids. So especially when you're coming in and out from your vehicle, it's raining, all that water, it's going to just go ahead and beat up on your floor mat, so you can just easily scoop it up with a microfiber towel. That way it doesn't cause any kind of stains, and it also helps prevent stains. So if you spill your coffee on your way to work, that's going to go ahead and be a huge lifesaver. That way you don't get any stains on your interior. Next on your list, it's going to be cold. You're going to get a lot of fogging on your glass. So to prevent that, we have our Hydro View, which has anti-fogging agents. So this product right here not only cleans your glass, but it also is a ceramic coating for your glass. So it's a 2-in-1, which allows you to clean it and ceramic coat it at the same time. Next, we have our Hydro Shield. You have a lot of exposed textured rubber, vinyl, and plastic trim on the exterior and interior of your vehicle. So this right here is a ceramic water-based dressing that allows you to treat those surfaces, condition it, bring it back to a new look finish, and give it that durable ceramic protection to beat off any kind of contaminants to keep your trim cleaner for longer. And then you also have our Hydro Leather, which is great for all your leather surfaces. It doesn't have to be on just your ride. You can actually use it on a variety of leather surfaces, including belts, purses, wallets, even at home, like on couches, chairs, tables, and so much more. And this product right here is going to treat your leather, and it's going to provide it with the best UV protection. That way it prevents it from drying, cracking, fading, and discoloration. And we also have our Hydro Spin, which is a wheel and rim ceramic coating and quick detailer. So it is a 2-in-1 product that allows you to quickly clean your wheels on the go from any kind of light dirt, dust, brake dust, and debris, and also provide it with durable ceramic protection. That way, a lot of that brake dust ends up not clinging to the surface of your wheel, thus keeping your wheels cleaner for longer. And it also makes maintenance much easier in the sense that the next time that you wash your wheels, it's going to have that nice hydrophobic protection, so you can go ahead and rinse them off and then air blow them with our Pro Blow to just quickly dry them up. That way you're not getting your fingers all in there and all jammed up. And that is our entire Hydro line of ceramic-based products. So like I mentioned once before, this is the perfect time to gift something like this simply because of the season. You want to make sure not only yourself, but your loved ones as well, that you want to have your car clean, shiny, and protected at all times. All right, guys, next on our list is going to be storage. Now, everyone has that Chemical Guys fanatic in their life that has their chemicals all in the backseat of their car. They're flipping around whenever they're cutting corners, or maybe they're just all over the garage or all over the house. Whatever the case may be, you cannot go wrong with storage. Here at Chemical Guys, we have tons of storage options available for you guys This one right in front of me actually happens to be our quick load carrying caddy. Now this product is great for taking your chemicals and accessories on the go. So this is a perfect gift to give anyone who's on the go. Maybe they're a mobile detailer. And you know, the great thing about this is that you don't even have to be a detailer to use it. You know, you can actually fill it up with anything. You can fill it up with tools. If you're a gardener, you can put all your gardening equipment in here. Maybe you have a cleaning service. You can put all your disinfecting chemicals and towels and gloves and whatnot in this. The possibilities are endless. So the quick load is great for people on the go, but what happens if you need a little bit more storage? That's when you go ahead and you pull out a ride-along trunk organizer. This is a ride-along large space trunk organizer. As you guys can see, this thing is massive. It has all tons of detailing equipment. You can store gallons, pressure washers, accessories, chemicals. It has all kinds of pockets all throughout the sides, inside, dividers, pockets, mesh pockets, straps, and so much more. And the great thing about this one is you can actually collapse it in half. So if you don't need this large space, collapse it in half to have a smaller storage space, and that way it doesn't take up so much space in your trunk. So right now we'll go ahead and do a little walk around of the ride-along storage organizer. I'll go ahead and flip it towards your guys just because it seems like this side has more of the chemicals and accessories on it. But you can definitely see that there's pockets for your chemicals. You can put wipes in there. Check this out. Just check out how much room you have here. You have a gallon of butter wet wax, a gallon of tire kicker tire shine, a half a gallon of streak-free glass cleaner, and a half gallon of our hybrid VO7 high gloss soap. Just imagine, that was just in this little corner of the organizer. So that just shows you just how much space you have to fill with your Chemical Guys goodies. So like I said once before, this is perfect for that Chemical Guys fanatic in your life who loves their Chemical Guys products and wants to take it on the go. Next on the list is our Arsenal range detailing bag. Now, as you guys can see, this one offers a little bit more in terms of mobility than the ride-along. So it has a lot more space, and it even has a shoulder strap with a padded Chemical Guys cushion on there. That way you can go ahead and put it on your shoulder, carry it for hours on end without it stressing your shoulders. And check this out, you guys. This thing is massive. So it has a big flap right here, right on top. And I'll open it up for you guys. It's huge. It stores a ton of products. Right here, you'll see we have some wash mitts, brushes, foam cannons, LED inspection lights, spinner drill brushes. It even has pockets on the inside where you can put chemicals, 4-ounce bottles, accessories like brushes, and so much more. The sides right here also have these awesome heavy-duty hooks, so this thing is not going to give out anytime soon. You have these beautiful mesh pockets on the side right here, which allow easy access for things that you use often. And then you also have one right here on the opposite side as well. So that's very great to have. And then you also have this front piece right here, which opens up and allows you to extend the Arsenal range bag even further. So just check this out. It pulls out and it pops out even more. So you have even more space to store your favorite Chemical Guys products. Now this front pocket right here has the pockets for the 4-ounce versions of our products. So if you have the compounds like our V line, like V32, 34, 36, and 38, maybe you have your air fresheners, you can keep them all right here in the front. Or what I like to do is whenever you get on site and you're detailing a vehicle, just have this fully extended. That way you have more room to breathe, have your stuff all out. That way it's not all tight and compact. And last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and flip around the Arsenal range bag and show you guys my personal favorite feature of this bag, which happens to be this special compartment for your polisher. Now this compartment is great because it keeps it away from all the rest of your chemicals and accessories and keeps it in this nice convenient little nifty compartment which fits any of your Torque DA or rotary polisher. Did you guys know that we have an entire line of Chemical Guys gear and apparel available on our website? That's right, we have tons of amazing t-shirts from men to women's cut and all kinds of designs, and as well as hats as well. We have our red script hat, our olive script hat, our camo, and we have our original traditional lifestyle hat as well. That's gonna be our black one with the rubberized logo. These ones right here have that script logo, so depending on whatever style you like, you have different options to choose from and gift as well. So if you guys have that Chemical Guys fanatic in your life that loves repping the brand, this would be the perfect gift to give this holiday season. And it's also very small and compact, so you can easily use these as stocking stuffers as well. That way you're not gifting the same old socks every year. And for all you guys that love staying warm this season, guess what? We got you covered with our Chemical Guys robe. Now this robe is perfect for basically anyone, your dad, your grandma, your grandpa, your mom, your brother, your sister, you name it. These robes are great as gifts because they're super plush, they're super warm, use them when you're just chilling around the house, when you just get out the shower, maybe just when it's cold, you just want to go ahead and cover yourself up. This will be the perfect gift. And one of the great things about this Robe is that it all comes packaged already for you. So you don't need to wrap it up, simply slap a bow on it. It has a little insert right here where you just go ahead and write your name, who it's from, and you can go ahead and gift it just like that. All right guys, next on our list is tools. Now your tools are just as important as your chemicals in your detailing arsenal because they help you and allow you to not only detail your ride in comfort, but they also speed up the process and make it a lot easier. One of those tools is our ProFlow PM2000 Performance Electric Pressure Washer. Now the ProFlow is small, but it packs a punch, so don't let the size fool you. This thing has a maximum PSI of 2030 and a maximum 1.77 gallons per minute. So the ProFlow definitely packs a punch, and you're not only limited on using it on your vehicle, you can actually use it on a multitude of surfaces. You can even use it around home. You can use it in your backyard, in your driveway, clean it up, clean your garage doors, gutters, any kind of outdoor fixtures, and you can also use it to wash your vehicle. Now, one great thing you can go ahead and pair it with is our Torque Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon, which connects with the ProFlow. Now, the Torque Big Mouth Max Release Foam Cannon is great because you can pair it with your favorite Chemical Guys soap, mix it with some water, connect it to the ProFlow, and then douse your rides in super slick clingy suds, which is going to help prevent scratches and swirls during the wash process. If you do already have scratches and swirls, guess what? Our next topic is our Torque Polisher. Now, if you do have those scratches and swirls, your paint is a little neglected, you have swirl marks, water spots, oxidation, your paint isn't 100%, that's when a Torque Polisher like our Torque X comes into place. Now you can use any of our Torque Polishers, whether it be a DA or rotary polisher, to correct your paint. For any kind of beginners / intermediates, you can go with the DA polisher. So if you have that person in your family who loves the ride, they love the shine, but they're afraid to polish it, you can go with something safe like our Torque X, which is a great beginner / intermediate machine. So if you don't know how to polish, this is the perfect tool to learn how. And if you do consider yourself a professional, you can still use this machine to achieve perfect results on your vehicle. Another great tool that you can gift this season is the Soft Stool Ultimate Detailing and Utility Cart. Now the Soft Stool is great to have around your vehicle. It's the perfect accessory that allows you to just sit in comfort while you detail your ride. So you can go ahead and sit on it, have all your detailing equipment like your buckets, all your chemicals, maybe you have some towels or wash mitts that you want to go and throw on there. Whatever you want to go and throw on there, you can have it nearby and an easy reach. That way you can go ahead and grab it and detail any part of your vehicle in comfort. And the great thing about the Soft Stool is that you're not just limited to using it on your vehicle. So you can actually use it on a multitude of tasks all around your home, such as whenever in your backyard and you're doing some gardening work. If you're a mechanic, you can have all your tools on there in easy reach. That way you're not having to go back and forth from your toolbox. Or maybe you're just chilling out in your garage and need something to sit on. The Soft Stool is the perfect stool for you. Along with all these great tools, there's also tons more that we haven't covered that are available on our website, such as brushes, LED inspection lights, and even towels. So if there's anything else that you guys are looking for, make sure to check out our holiday gift guide, which will be linked in the description down below so that you guys can check them out. Next on the list is going to be for the people that are on the go. So you have that special someone in your life who you already know, they're constantly spilling coffee in their vehicle, they have food crumbs all over the place, food stains, maybe they just have a messy interior and they need something to just quickly clean it up. That's when you go ahead and pull out our all new Total Interior Wipes. Now these wipes are perfect for keeping on the go in your vehicle. That way you can go ahead and wipe away any kind of light dust, debris, fingerprints from a variety of surfaces like dashboards, door panels, navigation screens, leather, glass, and so much more. They're extremely easy to use. All you have to do is simply open up the flap, pull out a wipe, start wiping stuff down, and then once you run through the wipe, simply dispose of it, grab yourself a new wipe, and you can go ahead and keep going or just stop right there. And we didn't just stop right there with the wipes. You guys all love wipes, and that's why we offer them in different products such as our leather wipes as well. And these leather wipes are great for keeping your leather clean on the go. So if you have any kind of spills or food stains, or maybe just have a heavy buildup of body oils on your steering wheel or something like that, you can use these wipes to just go ahead and quickly clean it up. And then we also have it available in our Inner Clean Interior Quick Detailer, and last but not least, a fan favorite, VRP. VRP wipes are great for interior conditioning, shining, and protection. So if you have a lot of vinyl, rubber, plastic, your dashboards, door panels, and all that, you can use these wipes to restore the look of them, add a nice high gloss shine, and protect them from those harsh UV rays to prevent drying, cracking, and fading. Moving along, you guys. Who doesn't love the latest and greatest? Here at Chemical Guys, we're constantly creating brand new products to level up the detailing industry. One of them actually being our Furry 5-finger helpful handy detailing mitt. Now this mitt utilizes a dual pile microfiber strand technology that allows you to deep clean your ride with the softest touch. And the great thing about it is that you can use it wet or dry. So you can use it wet to wipe down the surface of your vehicle, get into hard intricate areas like grills, emblems, exhaust tips, door handles, door jambs, engine bays, and so much more. And for your interior, you can use it dry to dust off your dashboard from any kind of light dust and debris. So you can use this on cracks, crevices, even on glass. So you can use this on a variety of surfaces, not even on your ride, but at your home as well. You can use this for dusting off your blinds, your countertops, tables, chairs, you name it. So it's definitely one of those products out there that you can give to your loved ones who love washing their ride or maybe dusting their interior. You never know. Moving along, we have products like our Klingon tire foam. Now Klingon is great because it cleans, shines, and it protects all in one single step. So this product utilizes a unique foam system that you can spray directly onto your tires, allow it to sit, and in that time that it's sitting on your tires, it's gonna go ahead and degrease it, shine it, restore it, and protect it all in one. I know, right? It's crazy. So many different things, all just from one bottle. Another great product that you can gift is our Loosen Spray Shine. Now, if you have that shine fanatic in your life, look no further. Loosen Spray Shine is the perfect gift that you can give this holiday season. This product utilizes a synthetic spray wax formula that provides an incredible, intense, deep, wet, reflective shine to your paint, glass, chrome, and anything that's smooth and glossy on the exterior of your vehicle. And it also has a nice little layer of protection as well. So not only are you shining the surface, but you're protecting it as well, and this is utilizing the latest and greatest in the detailing industry. And then obviously some other products that we have up here, which you may have already seen in this video, like our Soft Stool Ultimate Detailing Utility Cart and our ProFlow PM 2000 Performance Electric Pressure Washer are also part of our new product lineup. So make sure to check it out on our website so you can check out all of our newest, latest innovations in the detailing game. All right guys, next on our holiday gift guide, we have the gift of giving someone a beautiful smelling ride. So what do I mean by that? So right here at Chemical Guys, we love scents. I cannot stress that more than enough. Scents drive us crazy here, and that's why we offer so many different types of scents. All of these air fresheners are actually odor eliminators as well. So not only are you eliminating foul odors from your vehicle, but you're also filling it with something that's a little bit more pleasing to smell and just different in general. So we have different air fresheners such as our brand new Raging Banana air freshener, which smells like delicious ripe bananas. I can go through this entire line, but as you guys can see, we have tons of air fresheners. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna find one that you like or one that you're very interested in. And the great thing is we also offer them in 4-ounce sizes. So they're gonna be perfect for stocking stuffers. Throw them in there and stop giving the same old gift of socks. I can't stress that more than enough. No one wants socks for Christmas. They want something amazing from Chemical Guys. Still not sure what to give your loved ones this holiday season? Don't worry you guys, we've got you covered with pre-made detailing kits available on our website. That's right, we have kits ranging from basic wash kits to full-fledged detailing kits, and we also have polishing kits, interior detailing kits like carpet cleaning kits, leather, and so much more. You name it, we got it. And if you still can't make up your mind, you can actually use our Build Your Own Kit feature on our website to build your very own custom detailing kit for your ride or your loved one's ride. All right guys, and that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for our Chemical Guys holiday gift guide for the year of 2022. As mentioned once before, all the links to every single product that we mentioned in today's video are gonna be in the description down below. And if you guys wanna pick it up in person, I highly encourage that you check out your local Detail Garage store. We have Detail Garage store locations all throughout the US, UK, and Canada. We'll also leave that link below so that you guys can check it out. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like. If you guys enjoyed the content of this video, make sure to share it with your friends so that they don't miss out and they know exactly what to give their loved ones during this holiday season. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys Detail Garage. We'll see you guys next time.